What's going on, guys? John Elder here from Codemy.com, and it is Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday. Are you having a crazy time? I know I am. I'm getting flooded with deals and coupon codes and emails for discounts out the wazoo. And this is another one of those exact things. In this video, I want to tell you all about my Cyber Monday deal and show you what's involved and what it's all about. So if you've been watching my channel for a while here on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere else, you know that I have a website, Codemy.com, where I have all my courses. A lot of times on YouTube, I'll release the first 5 or 10 videos of a course, and then if you want the rest of the course, you have to pay full price for it. Well, these are all of those courses. And you can take them individually for $29 each. Oftentimes I'll have a coupon code for that, knock it down a little bit. Or you can take them all for $49. But for Cyber Monday, today only, you click here on sign up and then click this discount code field and type in Cyber19 and click apply. You get all of my courses for 19 bucks. That is $30 off. That's the cheapest I think I've ever done for all of my courses. Now that is a one-time fee. There's no extra charge ever. It's not monthly, it's not yearly, it's just one time, 19 bucks, and you get access to all my courses and all my future courses. So you probably know every couple of weeks or so I release a new course. When I do, it just pops up in your account, in your dashboard. There's nothing for you to do. It just appears, and you get access to it. So I've also written a bunch of #1 best-selling coding books, Amazon #1 best-selling coding books. You get the PDF versions of all of those for free. That's easily over $100 value if you were just buy them separately on Amazon. You get the PDFs for free. You get access to me. You can ask me questions. Underneath each video, you can ask questions. If there's something in the video that you're watching that you don't understand, ask a question right there. I'll answer it right there, usually within, an hour or so if I see it. And very, very cool. So when you sign up and log in the first time, this is your member dashboard. And it's pretty basic. It just has a list of all the courses, right? So you just come down here and find whatever course you want to watch, expand it, click on video 1, and then just start watching the video. So you can expand it full screen. You can change the audio quality or the video quality. You can do the volume up and down, all the things you would expect from video. These are hosted on Vimeo, so it's high definition, high quality. They should resize if you're on your phone or if you're on your web browser or on a desktop computer or laptop or whatever. You can see underneath, you can type your questions here. They pop up right underneath it, and I answer your questions. It emails you, I think, and tells you, hey, there's an answer or whatever. And then you can click mark as completed for each video. And when you do that, if you go through the entire course and watch every video to completion, you get a little certificate at the end that says, hey, you learned this thing, and it's kind of cool. And then you just click next to go to the next one, right? If you don't want to go one at a time, you can always just go back to your dashboard and, pick a different one. If you want to start on, video 15 or whatever, you can go ahead and do that. So that's cool. Let's see. Also, the book library. Here's the book library. You could see just to list all the different books. There's some people who have asked some questions or whatever. And then you just click on one, and that's the PDF version of the book. This is the exact version that you would buy on Amazon. It's just the PDF version of it, right? So we can kind of scroll through here. There's images and stuff. Very, very cool. Absolutely free. And so that's cool. So I'll put a link below this video that goes straight to the checkout page if you want to do that. And it'll already have the coupon code entered. Or you could just come here yourself and type in Cyber19, click apply. I would take credit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, I think. Yeah, right here. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Woohoo. Or you could check out with PayPal if you like. Click this button, and then you just click this link here, and it'll shoot you over to PayPal or whatever. So that's very cool. So I'm thinking about raising the price of my membership to $99 next month in January 2020. So if you're kind of on the fence about signing up for membership, now's the time to do it when you can sign up for all my courses for 19 bucks. One-time fee, like I said, money back guaranteed. If you're not happy for some reason, why would you not be happy? This is awesome. But if you're not happy for whatever reason, just shoot me an email. There's a contact form at the top of every page. This goes straight to my Gmail. Just send me an email. Say, hey, I'm not happy. Give me a refund. I'll shoot it out immediately. There's no hassles, no hoops to jump through. I don't have time for aggravation. If you're not happy, I just will give you your money back, and that's that. So that's sort of how I do that. I think it takes a day or so for the money to actually go back into your account or whatever. That's all the credit card company Stripe processing or whatever. But as fast as humanly possible, you get your refund if you want a refund. So head over to Codemy.com and just scroll through here. I've got, I don't know, 30 or 40 or so courses, just about anything you could ever want to learn. We've got Python, we've got Ruby, we've got JavaScript, PHP, the actual programming languages themselves, HTML, CSS, bunch of database courses, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite. And then we've got the rest of the courses are project based. So like in this one, we build a clone of the website Pinterest with Ruby on Rails. For this one, we build a stock market portfolio app with Ruby on Rails. A lot of these things are the same. We do the same things with Django. Here's a to-do list app we create with Django, a cryptocurrency app with Django, stuff like that. Some PHP. Here is a cryptocurrency course. It's kind of cool on Steemit. You get paid to blog. It's very neat. Here's a course on Linux, Ubuntu Linux. If you've ever heard about Linux, coders always use Linux. Why? Well, if you want to learn about that, you can check that out. We've got a couple of marketing courses, SEO and email marketing. So we're coders. We build things like websites and apps and things. But the reality is you still have to promote and market your thing that you build. So I got a couple of courses teaching you how to do that. They're very old, but they're still valid information. Let's see, some Node courses, more Django, more Ruby on Rails. But just take a look at this, scroll through here. If you want to see, I've got oodles and oodles and oodles, like hundreds and hundreds of like testimonials and stuff. If you're a little bit on the fence, but why would you be on the fence? You've been watching my videos on YouTube forever now, and you know exactly what you're getting when you sign up for membership, right? So let's see, what else is there worth looking at? We looked at the dashboard, the profile. I think that's not interesting. You could just change your settings and stuff. And that's pretty much it. So like I said, I'm going to be raising the prices probably. So if you're interested in my courses, you want to lock in this low price for not only my current courses, but all my future courses, you get them for free. Now is definitely the time. This sale is going on today and today only, Cyber Monday. Maybe we'll extend it till tomorrow, but probably just today. I'm a sucker. If somebody comes tomorrow and says, come on, dude, I'll probably give them the deal. But definitely today is the day. If you want to be sure and get this offer, check it out. And Cyber19 is the coupon code. I'll try and put a link in the description below or in the comments below probably. But look around, you'll find it. And that'll be cool. So that's all for this video. I'll let you get back to your crazy Cyber Monday shopping. Hopefully you're finding all kinds of great deals. And it's a great day to buy stuff that you've been putting off for a while now. Massive discounts out the wazoo, but I don't have to tell you that. You know all about it. So that's cool. So sign up. We'll see you inside, and we'll see you in the next video.